Hello everyone and welcome to today's presentation. My name is Nazia Putri Aulia. I'm from Facultas Economy and Business, Class Management 24C and MPM 2441172. We are going to explore a fundamental yet every crucial topic in the world of business or understanding law and business law. Law is the foundation of every organized society. Without law, the world be not order, not fairness, and no system to regulate how individual and organizations behave. But when we brought this concept into the business world, it become even more essential because business constantly interact with people, government, and another company. So, by the end of this presentation, you will be understand what law actually means, how law is structured and classified, what business law is, and what is this important, the main areas of business law, and how law affect business decision and ethics. Let's begin with the classic basic. The word law made so simple, but is carries deep meaning. In general, law is a set of rules and purposes built by authority to regulate human behavior. According to the famous George John Austin, law is a command given by superior to an inferior and forecast by sensation. This means the law is just adapted in building and must be obeyed. The main purpose of law are to maintain another in the society, to protect right and profitage, to promote justice and equality, to resolve dispute peacefully. Without law, social will fall into chaos. Imagine a world we are entered and the men have no fairness and property right engage. That's why law as the backbone creation. Now, laws come in many types. Let's understand the main classification of law. Law can be classified in many ways, but generally they fall into two broad categories: one public law and private law. One, public law. Public law deals with the relationship between individuals and the state. It focuses on the issue that affects socially as a whole. The main business of product law are constitutional law. Defines the structure of government, the superance of power, and citizens' fundamental rights. For experts, in the nation, what the president, parliament, and court can or cannot do. Administrative law governs the activities of the government agencies and assures the act with their authority. In a government department makes a unfair decision, citizens can challenge it under administrative law. Criminal law protects society from full action such as telephone and violence. It defines what constitutes and crime and the punishment for it. For instance, corporate fraud or embezzlement is functioned under criminal law. 2. Private law. Private law, on the other hand, regulates relationship between private individuals or organizations and called business. Branches of private law include connect law, deals with the agreement between two or more parties. Tort law, concrete giving word the cause harm on laws such as negligence or deforestation. Property law, regulation ownership and use of land or asset. Family law governs personal relationships like marriage and divorces. Commercial of business law applies specifically to trade on commerce activities. Free law is extremely important in the business world because it allows companies to operate within predictable rules, creating trust in the market. Now, the we understand the general types of law, let's move on the or focus business law. Business law, also known as commercial law or martial law, refers to the set of legal rules that govern the creation, operation, and management of business. In other words, is the law that applies when you start, run, and close a business. In determining how a business can be forfeit, how contracts should be made and enforced, how dispute and roll fed, how companies pay tax, how employees are treated, and how intellectual property like brand or invention are protected. The main objectives of business law: 1. To ensure fairness, every business company under the same rules. 2. To protect our stakeholders, include customer, employees, investor, and environment. 3. To prevent fraud and unethical practices. 4. To promote trust and stability in commercial transactions. And 5. To encourage economic growth by providing legal characteristic. In running a company without legal rules, people call break contracts, style ID, or refund payment, and nothing could stop them. That's why business law acts as the safety net that keeps business operations ethical, efficient, and accountable. Red violet and understand its key earth is essential. Let's discuss the most important ones is in detail. 1. Connect law. Contracts are the backbone of business. A contract is legally enforceable agreement between two or more persons that creates mutual or organization. Every contract must have an over adjective change, duration, something of volume, access, and in indentation to general relationship. In any of those elements are missing to connect may not be failed. Export. A company agrees to supply 1,000 laptops to a school for a character price. In the superior files to deliver on the school refunds to pay. Contact law demands the legal consequences. Contact build trust. They make business relationship predictable and unforgettable. This era governs how companies are managed and dissolved in increased actuality and transparency in how business operate. Company law cover mm, company registration, shareholder right, direction responsibility, manage and equality and corporate governance. For expense, director must act the best interest of the company, not for personal gain. In the missions company found, they can be held legally responsible. Corporate law insurance that like companies do not about this power and that all counter are the traded fairly. These are governance how companies are formed, managed, and dissolved in assurance, equality, and transparency in how business operate. Company law covers company registration, shareholder right, director responsibility, manage and equation, and corporate governance. For expanse, the director must act the best interest of the company, not personal gain. If the misuse company found, the can be held legally responsible. Corporate law ensure the right companies do not abuse their power and they are seconded and treated fairly. And three, appointment of labor law. This definitions the relationship between employees and employees ensure workers and treated fairly and workplace remains safe. K accept include minimum wage and working hours, efforts to show safety and healthy, anti-discrimination laws, employee benefit and termination procedures for expense and employee qualifier on employee uniform on discriminate based on the general of regulation violate on law or labor law and led to lawsuit penalties and laws of reputation. And for intellectual property law or IP law, intellectual property is one of the most valuable asset in the modern business and include fashion, logo, design, creative work, and 3D script. Type of IP protection include Pinterest from invitation, charters from brand name and logos, copyright for aesthetic work, and trade secret from the confidential business information. Without IP protect, innovative work disappear because any code copies someone else's idea without consequence. For example, in Coca-Cola formula and Apple iPhone design are protect user evil law. 5. Customer protection law. Customers are the heart of the business. Customer protects law ensure they are not carried the rate of mislead. In prevention, false sales and first sale of UNICEF or defense product and UNFAIR connects terms. For instance, in company sales experience for or learns about product quality, it can face heavily fines and lawsuits. And nine and six, tax law regulation how business pay the share of tax, such corporate in tax, VAT, and customer duties in assure fairness and profits government with funds for interactions and education and healthcare. A business fair tax defense legal contact leading and closure. 7. In fundamental law, as global awareness of sustainability goals, environment law has become a major part of business regulation and ensure the companies may manages pollution, manage waste, hard property, and protect natural resources. For expense, for the rest must follow a emission limit and companies must match place with responsibility, violate their laws not only next planet but can also destroy to company legal and to legal sanitation. Why business law matters? Now that we covered its main areas, let's discuss why business law really matters. One, legal protection. Business law protect companies from fraud, scams, and unfair competition. 2. Predictability and stability. When laws are clear, business can apply theory, operation, and confidence. 3. Reputation and trust. Following the law, business grow relationship with the customer, investor, and employees. 4. Ethical standard. Law encourage business to behave responsibility, not just legal but morally. 5. Disported resolution. When disgrace happen as the overdo it business, the law profit manages to rouse the freely through negotiation, mediation, attribute, or court. Image a world without business law, but people would break in contact company product and create customer without consequence. There would be not investment, not stability, and no trust. That why as is not a brief to business in the foundation that make business possible. Law, ethic, and business decision making. Finally, let's contact law the ethic. Law tell us what must we do. Will ethic tell us what we should do? A company might follow the law but still act unethically from expelled by exploitation, loopholes, and employing uniform wages. Surely responsible business go by legal compliance. Their company to critical practices such as transparency in financial reporting, fair treatment of workers, honest marketing, and environment sustainability. Ethical behavior Ethical behavior build long-term trust and ensure the company contribute positively to successfully in short. Law create outdoor ethic create in trading together their boost responsibility business success. And conclusion to summarize our discussion, law is system of rules the main chart author the justice and sociality. Business law is a specific branch that government, commercial, effective and relationship. It covers Conversation labor, intellectual property protection, and customer protection. Understanding business law help organizations operate legal, ethically, and overcantly. And unanimously, respecting the law is not just about avoiding punishment, it's not building trust, fairness, and long-term success. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation helped you gain a deeper and clearer understanding of law and business law. Stay concerned, stay active, and remember, good business always starts with good law.